In this video, we will show you how to replace your cylinder head temperature sensor. Let's get started. Your sensor is going to be located directly in the center of your valve cover, in between each of your center coils. To easily access this, remove the wire from your second ignition coil. To do that, there's a little squeeze tab right along the top. Squeeze it and remove the wiring. Give it a quick inspection for corrosion, and then set that aside. Once you've done that, you're going to follow this wire down to a rubber boot. Remove the boot from the top of your valve cover. With the boot up and out of the way, continue on with a pick or small screwdriver. There's going to be another squeeze tab for this electrical connector. We'll press on the tab, and then we'll gently lift the connector up and off of the sensor itself. Give that a quick inspection for corrosion and set it aside. To remove the sensor, you're going to need a socket that fits directly over the sensor. Looking at the new sensor, you can tell that it has this plastic area that protrudes up. It's common that most sockets will not fit over this. Looking inside of this socket, you can tell that it's deep enough. I'll slide it right on over. The size for this socket is either a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter. Let's slide this down on there. Turn the sensor counterclockwise to remove it from the engine. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our brand new cylinder head temperature sensor. To put this in place, use some long pliers. Carefully grab onto the plastic end, and then put it down and into its mounting hole. Once you have it in there, we'll gently start it in. After it's started in, you can continue on with your socket. We'll take this and gently bottom it out. After that, torque it to 106 inch-pounds. After you have that torqued, continue on with your electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click, and make sure it's secure. After that, put on your protective boot. Make sure your protective boot is fully in place. Continue on to reconnecting your ignition coil. Listen for a click, give it a tug. At this point, start up the vehicle. Make sure it runs okay, and no check engine light. Aside from that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.